So the next basic stitch we're going to go over is the single crochet. So with this, you always start with a slip knot and 5 chains. I'm going to do 5 for all of these examples, but you always start with a foundation chain stitch. To start the crochet, the single crochet, you're going to go into the stitch and you're going to pull the yarn through. That creates 2 loops on the hook. And you're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 hooks. Now go to the next stitch and you're going to go pull through. It's going to create the 2 loops on the hook and you're going to pull through both loops. You're always going to be working right to left. So you should be going to the next stitch to your left, go through, pull a loop through, yarn over and pull through both loops. So repeat, go through the stitch, pull through. Now you should have 2 loops on the hook and you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Repeat that until the end of the row. Count to the stitches to verify you have the correct or same number of stitches. Just to show you again, we're going to chain 1 and turn. This is how you go to another row. Go into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Go into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make sure you're pulling through both stitches. Pull through, yarn over, pull through. Repeat that until the end of the row. Now we're going to count the stitches to verify we still have 5 stitches.